Wherever you are, I hope you can see a star. I hope that the sky is clear, and all of this weight, don't know how much I can take. The future is so unclear. I don't know what day it is or even the time of year. How the hell am I supposed to spread holiday cheer? Happy holiday, happy holiday. The phone calls we make will never replace the memories of yesteryear. Happy holiday. And all of this fear, I hope it'll disappear. For now, I'll just stay in my room and think of the days we were allowed to embrace. It'll be over soon. I don't know what day it is or even the time of year. How the hell am I supposed to spread holiday cheer? Happy holiday, happy holiday. The phone calls we make will never replace the memories of yesteryear. Happy holiday, happy holiday.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay.
From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are, as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years, we all will be together, if the fates allow. I will hang a shining star upon the highest bough. Let's have ourselves a merry little Christmas now. Here we are, as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years, we all will be together, if the fates allow. I will hang a shining star upon the highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas.